All right, I think we are live. Okay, I am live now. So if you are joining the live stream and you can hear me loud and clear, use the comment section. Okay. All right. So if you can all hear me, you can use the comment section. Okay, to let me know you can hear me. I believe you can hear me loud and clear. All right. So basically, before the end of this stream, I'm actually going to give out, do giveaway of 100 USDT, okay, to users of Fairdesk. All right. So those of you who have been following on the Instagram page, you will agree with me that actually published a notice of giving out 100 USDT. The first one was for 50 USDT, okay, and then we got a lucky user who actually got that on to his account. So in today's live stream, I'll equally be giving out 100 USDT, okay? I'll equally be giving 100 USDT to a lucky user. And for you to be able to qualify for that, okay, because Fairdesk is a sponsor of this live stream, okay, so they have given me all it takes to actually do some of these giveaways, okay. So for you to be able to qualify for this, all you need to do is to become a Fairdesk user and then copy my trades on Fairdesk, okay? So you can copy my trades, you can copy other traders on Fairdesk, and you qualify to actually win this giveaway, okay? To actually win the giveaway for free. So Fairdesk, okay, in case you don't know already, Fairdesk is actually a crypto trading exchange, okay? It is a derivative exchange, okay, that is founded by 6 former Binance executives and 3 former Morgan Stanley architects, okay. So these 9 persons came together and then created this exchange, all right. And what is more active here is the Fairdesk copy trading platform, all right. So there are 2 ways you can actually make money with the Fairdesk exchange, okay. So is it that you become a copy trader just like all these persons you're seeing here, all right. I'm no longer on the first page, okay. So is it that you become a copy trader as all these persons you are seeing here? Okay, this is my trade, this is me here, so you can actually copy my trade. The link to sign up for Fairdesk account will be in the video description, okay. So just check out the video description, you'll see the link there, and then sign up for Fairdesk account. Once you sign up for an account, you can copy my trade. You can see other good traders here that you can actually copy their trades, okay. So that is what qualifies you for the giveaway. Whenever I organize a giveaway, okay, you can always qualify for that, all right. So you can start with as little as $50 to start copying traders here, okay. So all you just need to do is just click on any of the traders you want to copy, and it's just straightforward, okay. You can see the copy trading option here on my end because I am a pro trader, okay. So I trade as a pro trader on the Fairdesk exchange. So if you just see the copy option, you can just go ahead and click on the copy, and you can start copying those traders. Okay, so before we go to showing you the setup I have here, or how I trade on the Fairdesk exchange, okay, so all you just need to do now is there are a few ongoing announcements I want to make. Okay, so on the Fairdesk exchange, you see this couple trading contest is actually ongoing. Okay, so we still have 7 days left, and you can actually participate in it and qualify to win. Okay, to share in this $50,000 giveaway that Fairdesk is giving out. I'm equally participating in it. Oh, okay, I think last week I was number 3. Right now I am number this is okay. Somebody has taken over my space. That is because I have some losing trade. That is why. So you can actually participate in this context. All you just need to do, okay, I will leave the link to this page. Okay, or what you need to do is, if you come to the Fairdesk exchange, let me go to the home page here. You will see the announcement here. Okay, so you see the couple trading option here. So just click on it and it will bring you to this page. So if you come in here, in your own case, it will say join. Okay, instead of go to trade, it will say join. So just go ahead and click on join, and once you click on join, whatever trades that you'll be taking will be counting for you. Okay, so there are rewards that will be given out. The rewards, everything is specified here on how the 50,000 will be shared. Okay, so how the 50,000 will be shared is that first place, okay, gets 30%. The person who is the first position will get 30% of they give away the amount of money they are giving, and it means that this first person here is going to get that share. Okay, that is for the first place, get 30%. The second place get 20%. Okay, the third place get 10%. Then from 4th to 20th place, these persons will share the remaining 15%. Okay, then from 25th to 50 will share another 15%. Then 50 to 100 will share the remaining 10%. Okay, all you just need to do is just to trade, okay, and get some good winning rate, and you qualify for this. All right, you qualify for the ongoing promo. And the same thing, at the same time, on the Fairdesk exchange, you can actually trade baby Doge. Okay, you can trade baby Doge. You can trade this on the perpetual contract on the Fairdesk exchange. All right, so there are a lot of things you can actually achieve with Fairdesk. All right, so as I said earlier, there are 2 ways you can make money with the Fairdesk exchange. Is either you are copying pro traders. Okay, is either you are copying pro traders, and there are a lot of good traders here. If I come to the copy trading option here, there are a lot of good traders here. So you copy these traders, and whatever profit they made, you actually share in those profit that they make. Okay, that is one way to make money as a copy trader. Then the other way is becoming the trader yourself. Okay, the other way is becoming the trader yourself. All right, so if you know how to trade some of these major pairs that Fairdesk has actually listed on their exchange, if I click on this person here, okay, so you see that the pairs you have to trade for as a pro trader is BTC, Ethereum, BNB, ADA, SRP. These are the pairs that traders on the Fairdesk copy trading are trading currently. Okay, so if you know how to trade these tokens here, then you can actually start trading. I do more of BTC, okay, more of BTC and Ethereum. So I don't trade all the coins in the market. I do more of BTC and Ethereum. So if you can trade very well, if you can get some good winning rate, or you have a channel that actually sends you signals, okay, you can actually use those signals to trade on the Fairdesk exchange, and then have traders, okay, who are copying your trade. And for every profit you make, okay, you can actually start getting paid. You share, okay, 10% of whatever profit you make for your traders becomes yours. Okay, just like this person, okay, 200 out of 200 are the people who are copying this trader. So out of these 200 persons, if for instance in the past 7 days this trader has made around 6,324 USDT for those who are copying his trade. Okay, so if you keep making 6,000 every 7 days, it means that 10% of 6,000 is what you make. 10% of that is what comes to you. Okay, so if you make 10,000 every week, if you make 15,000 every week, if you make 20,000 every week, or even if it is $100, let's say $1,000 every week, okay, 10% of that actually comes to you. All right, so all you just need to do to be able to become a trader, okay, once you come in here to the copy trading option, you will see an option where it says just let me know, join the Telegram, the link is equally in the video description. Let me know, I'll send you the link to apply as a trader. What the requirement is just to have 101 USDT in your trading account. That is all you need, okay? 101 USDT in your trading account. That is all you need to become a pro trader on the Fairdesk exchange. And then you can start trading, and traders can start copying your trade. So when they start copying your trades, if for instance you have $100, somebody with $10,000, somebody with $1,000, somebody with even $100,000 can start actually copying your trade. So whatever position you open on your end, it is actually duplicated on that trader's account. And at the end of the day, if you make profit for the trader, 10% of that profit you make comes to you. Okay. Then if you have a community, let's say of on Telegram, on WhatsApp, or you have a YouTube channel, you're an influencer, okay, and you can trade, all right, Fairdesk equally have an that option for you where you are paid weekly. Aside the money you'll be earning from, you know, the profit you are making from your traders, Fairdesk equally have bonuses that they give to you on a weekly basis, okay. And you know, they can actually fund your account to start trading. So if you belong to any of this category, that you are an influencer, you have a community of traders, okay, you have some followers either Facebook, Telegram, or WhatsApp that you're actually training and you're trading with, okay, and you want to start trading with Fairdesk, just let me know. Use the link to join the Telegram group. Let me know on the Telegram that you're interested, and I'll see how I can link you up, and you can become a pro trader trading even with zero capital, and you can start making money on the Fairdesk exchange. Okay, all right, so with that out of the way, is very easy. I've been monitoring the market for you know, some time now before I went live. Okay, so the market seems to be ranging, but I do have a setup here that I use to scalp the market. All right, I just use these two indicators to scalp the market. These are just two indicators, as you can see. All right, so the first indicator here is the UT board alert, and then I have the EMA, which is the 50 moving average EMA, okay, which is for the 50 EMA. So I would show you the setup and how to use it. But basically, once you add up these two indicators, this is how it looks like, okay. So we use the 50 EMA to determine the trend in the sense that when the candlesticks are trading above the 50 EMA, we look for buy signals, and then when the candlesticks are trading below the 50 EMA, we look for sell signals, okay. So once the UT board gives us alert, okay, let me make this full screen. So basically, the way I personally use this indicator is whenever the UT board gives us a sell signal, okay, so you see the 50 EMA, the colored 50 EMA, you wait for it to change to red, okay. Once it changes to red, the candlesticks need to be trading below the 50 EMA. All right, so once it's trading below the 50 EMA, you go ahead and take a buy signal, and this will a sell signal, sorry, this would have ended up, okay, this would have ended up in profit. So if I bring my let me bring my short position to here, okay. So if I bring my short position to, let's say you enter this trade somewhere around there, you bring your stop loss to the previous swing, okay, high, and then bring it down here, this would have been a winning trade, okay. As you can see, this would have been a winning trade, and this is around the risk reward ratio here is 4.7. so if you have followed this would have been a winning trade. But normally when I scalp, okay, my risk reward ratio is always 1.1, okay, 1-to-1 risk reward ratio to at most 1-to-5. all right, then if I see that the market is moving in my direction with a strong momentum, all I just need to do is to now adjust my stop loss to follow the market, okay. So I can adjust my stop loss. For instance, I can adjust the take profit further, and then adjust my stop loss to, you know, my entry, or adjust the stop loss to take some profit, and all of that. I can keep adjusting this to follow the market. All right, then when you get the buy signal, all right, buy signal, wait for the candlestick to trade above the 50 moving EMA, okay, and then put your stop loss just in the previous swing low, okay. Let's say we enter this market somewhere around there, this would have equally been a winning trade, okay. this, okay, now I say that for scalping I normally target 1 to 2, 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. That is what I target. Then if the market continue to move in my direction, I will adjust my stop loss and take profit to suit the direction of the market. So for instance, this movement here would have equally given you 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. Okay, let's say we enter with this trade here. Okay, I can just bring my stop loss to the previous swing low, then target, just the risk reward ratio should just be 1.5. okay, 1.5, this would have been a winning trade. All right, this would have been a winning trade. Then maybe if you have taken this would have been a losing trade, which is normal. Okay, this would have been a losing trade, because if you always use, let's say 1 to 5 or 1 to 3 or 2 to 1 risk reward ratio, okay, if you have winning trades and losing trade, at the end of the day you will still break even or even make profit depending on the number of trades. Okay, so this would have been a losing trade. That is, if you have taken this would have been a losing trade. Okay, and then this would have equally been a winning trade, despite the fact that the momentum was not that strong. Let's say 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. Okay, so if you do 1 to 5 risk reward ratio, this would have equally been a winning trade somewhere around there. So let me bring the stop loss upward here. So 1 to 5, this would have equally been a winning trade, not to talk of this. Okay, the buy signal here, which actually springed up the sell signal here. So this indicator is very simple, and this is how I actually use this indicator to scalp the market. So right now I'm just waiting for an opportunity, either for this to continue to go down or for a break to the upward side, and I'll take a trade. Okay, until that happens, for now I'm not going to take any action. Okay, so I'll just keep monitoring the trade. Okay, and then if I am to leave my system right now, all I need to do is to just set up alert on this, and that will be it. Okay, and to add up these indicators, okay, the first indicator, just go to the indicator tab and then type in colored. Okay, just type in here colored EMA. Okay, colored EMA by Zen and the Act. Okay, you see that the indicator is not very popular. It's just 890 94 persons who are using this indicator. So just go ahead and add up the indicator to your chart, and once you add up the indicator to your chart, let me take off the UT board alert here. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, so when we are in an uptrend, you see the candlestick trading above the 50 moving average. Okay, above the 50 EMA, and the line will change to green. Okay, when we are in a downtrend, okay, you will see the candlestick trading below. Okay, let me take this out of the way. You'll see the candlestick trading below the 50 EMA. Okay, and then the line would change to red. Okay, once the line changes to red and the candlesticks are trading below the EMA, you go ahead and take a sell position. Okay, and then when they are trading above the 50 EMA and the line changes to green, you go ahead and take a buy position. Okay, so on its own alone you can actually use this indicator, but I just have to confirm this. Okay, I need another indicator to confirm this direction of the market. That is why I go ahead and add the UT board alert. Okay, so just go ahead. UT board alert is a very popular buy and sell signal indicator. Okay, UT board alert, just go ahead and click on it to add it up to your chart. So once you add it up to the chart, okay, if I bring it up, all you need to do is to go to the setting. Okay, if you use the default setting, for instance, okay, if you use the default setting of this is how messy the indicator looks like. Okay, so you see all of this random buy and sell. So all you just need to do is I just change this to 3 and then change this to 5. All right, that is all I need to do, and then go ahead and click on OK. Okay, so to get a confirmation with this board, for buy signals, my candlesticks have to be trading above the 50 moving average, and the 50 moving average has to turn to green. Okay, then I can take buy signals. Then for sell signals, okay, the candlestick needs to be trading below the 50 EMA. Okay, and then the 50 EMA line has to turn to red. All right, that is just how simple it is to actually use this indicator, and you can use it to start getting buy and sell signals to enter the market. Okay, which is the same way I've been using it, and currently the market is Okay, it's just moving within this range, okay, within this range. So I'm waiting for when the market will make, we'll come back to the 50 EMA and then pull back or break above it, okay. And once this changes to green and I get a buy signal, I go ahead and take it, okay. Then when it is below, once it is red, okay, the EMA is red equally, you see a sell signal, you go ahead and take those signals. And that is exactly what I've been using to trade on the Fairdesk exchange, okay. So you go to copy trading. Once you get those signals, you go ahead and take them, okay. And then I can actually go ahead and set a limit order here at 300, for instance, 23k. And then let's say I want to open a position from 1 BTC, so I'll go ahead and take let's say I want to take profit when it gets to, let's say, even 23, for instance. I can do 23,100. Okay, I can do 23,100 and then open that buy long position, okay, and that position, that trade will be pending here, okay. So once you come in here, you see that the open orders will be pending here. So this will be pending until when this actually hits that target. Once it hits that target, the trade will be taken, and if it retraces upwards to 23,100, okay, it will be triggered, and that is it. All right, so basically those are just the setup that I have here. All right, so I can now take your question. You can use the comment section, okay, to ask your questions. I will take your questions, and okay, but I'll still be monitoring the market for now. I'll still be monitoring the market and see how this plays out. Okay, I'll still be monitoring the market and see how this plays out while I wait for your questions. Okay, for those of you who are in Abuja, okay, if you're in Nigeria, you're in Abuja, there is this event that is coming up, okay, and it is in partnership with Abuja Chambers of Commerce, and this will be coming up on the 17th of March. Okay, 17th of March, that is when this traders hangout will be coming up. So if you want to be a part of that, I'll just drop a QR code that you can actually scan. Okay, if you're in this live stream right now, you can scan the QR code, this QR code here. Okay, you can scan this QR code here to actually fill the form, and I will equally be sharing this on the Telegram, on the WhatsApp group. So if you are in any of this platform, you can actually get the form there and fill the form. This is a physical event, and it is only for those who are within Abuja. All right, so it is only for those who are within Abuja. All right, so if you want to be a part of this event, if you want to take part in that, you can actually put an eye on the Telegram when I'll make the announcement, okay, so that you can fill the form. If you are not on the Telegram already, you can use the link in the video description to join the Telegram. Okay, so let's see, before I end the stream, let's see the way this market will play out. All right, and see if we can be able to get 1 or 2 trades. Now when it comes to trading, okay, in most cases I don't get the opportunity to trade in the morning. In most cases I don't get the opportunity to trade in the afternoon. In most cases I don't get the opportunity to trade maybe at midnight. All right, so I can get an opportunity to trade the market right now, sometime in the afternoon and sometime even midnight, okay, and then most cases around the evening time. So crypto market is always open. It's not like forex that you have section by section, though this section in one way or the other affect the crypto market, but it is not like the forex. Okay, forex are always closed during weekend, but during weekend, for those of you who work, you can see an opportunity to either open a long or short position in the market, and you'll still be profitable. Okay, and you'll still be profitable, you still make profit. So the crypto market is not something that you say, oh, I don't have time, I cannot do that. You can do it either early in the morning before you go to work. You can do it when you come back from work. You can do it during weekends. Okay, you can do it during weekends. All you just need to do is to acquire the skills. Once you have the skills to be able to trade the market, okay, you can trade the market when you come back late in the evening, during midnight. Okay, you can trade the market during your break. You can trade the market in the morning, anytime at all you see opportunity in the market. All right, so if you have this setup like this, all you just need to do is just to set up alert on TradingView, and whenever the crossover happen, you can set the alert either on the UT board, or you can set the alert on the change in color of the 50 EMA. Okay, and then when this happens, TradingView can actually notify you through your email. TradingView can notify you via the app. TradingView can notify you even on the system once your system is open. Okay, once your system is open, you can get all of these alerts via emails, and then you go ahead and look at the market. If it plays out well the way you want it, you can go ahead and take that. Okay, so to set alert on TradingView, you just click here, all right, and then click on create alert. So once you click on create alert, okay, so you want to say where it says condition, all right, you want to select instead of BTC USDT, you want to set the alert on any of these indicators. Okay, so you can set the alert to get for TradingView to notify you whenever you get an alert from UT board, either to short or to long. Okay, so you can only set one at a time. So you can set for a long, and then go ahead and set the alert, click on create, and then come back to create alert for short. Okay, so that when you get alert to long, it notifies you. When you get alert to short, it notifies you. You can equally set alert on the 50 colored EMA. Okay, so you can click on it and set the alert on crossing, either crossing up, crossing down. If you use crossing, it will notify you whenever there is a crossing both up and down. But if you just want, let's say you notice that you want to take only buy signals, then you can do for crossing up. Okay, if you want to take only sell signals, you can do for crossing down and all of that. Okay, and then just click on create, and whenever the crossing happens, the TradingView will notify you. All right, and then you can go ahead and take those trades, and you are good to go. Okay, all right, so basically that is all I have to share with you in this live stream. If there are questions, why I still wait to take a trade, to see if I can take any trade. If there are questions, you can go ahead and ask your questions. Okay, you can go ahead and ask your questions and see. And if you are new to the channel, okay, consider subscribing so that you'll be the first to, then hit the notification bell to be the first to be notified each time. Okay, we go live, each time we publish content on the channel. Okay, join the Telegram group to learn more. Join the Telegram to learn more. All right, so I'll keep monitoring this this market and see how this plays out. All right, I'll keep monitoring. Once I get a signal to buy, I'll go ahead and buy. If I get a signal to sell, I'll go ahead and sell. Okay, so let's see how this plays out and see when we can get some signals. The 5 minutes time frame. So I'll just mute my mic and then allow the music to play. Let's see how this plays out. Okay. you.